In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a debit or credit card to your Amazon account. Adding a payment method to Amazon ensures that your shopping experience is not only convenient, but also efficient, allowing you to make purchases seamlessly. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can start shopping with ease. First, you'll want to start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to Amazon.com. Next, log into your Amazon account using your usual credentials. If you haven't already saved your password, you'll need to enter it manually. Once you're logged in, you'll be at the Amazon homepage where you can see a variety of products and deals. To proceed, glance towards the top right corner of the page where you'll find an option labeled Account. Go ahead and click on Account. This section is your hub for personal information, order history, and settings related to your Amazon experience. Within your account dashboard, look for the Your Payments link. Clicking on it will direct you to a page where Amazon manages all of your payment options. It's your central location for reviewing, adding, or modifying any of your payment methods, such as credit or debit cards, bank accounts, or Amazon gift cards. On this new page, find a button that reads Add a Payment Method. Selecting this will prompt another set of options. Among these, look for and choose Add a Credit or Debit Card. This is a critical step, as it takes you to the form where you'll provide your card details. Now you'll see fields prompting you to enter your credit or debit card information. Be sure to accurately type in your card number, the expiration date, and the cardholder's name as it appears on your card. Double-check these details to prevent any errors during the transaction. Once you've verified that everything is correct, click on the Add Your Card button. This action saves the card information to your account. After you've done this, Amazon will confirm that your card has been successfully added. You'll see it listed among your available payment methods. It's also worth noting that you can set this new card as your default payment method by clicking on the Set as Preferred option, ensuring that all future purchases use this card unless you specify otherwise during checkouts. And there you have it. Your card is now added to your Amazon account, perfectly set up to enhance your online shopping experience. By following these straightforward steps, managing your payments on Amazon becomes quick and hassle-free. Now you're all set to enjoy the convenience of shopping with your newly added card. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping!